Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we are unraveling the mystery behind guilt-free indulgence, diabetes-friendly almond cookies. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this sweet secret. Let's dive in. The power of almonds, the unsung heroes of our recipe, packed with healthy fats and low in carbs. They are the perfect base for our guilt-free delight. Whether you are craving a crunchy bite or a creamy texture, almonds have got you covered. Baking bliss. Let's mix things up. Our batter is a dance of almond flour, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of love, all set to create magic in the oven. The aroma alone will transport you to a cozy kitchen, filled with the promise of deliciousness. Sweetening the deal. We are keeping it sweet without the sugar rush. A touch of stevia and a hint of vanilla make our cookies a delight for your taste buds. Minus the guilt, you won't miss the sugar. In fact, you might just find our version even sweeter. Shaping the future. Get creative, roll, cut, and shape your cookies into little works of art. It's not just about taste, it's about the joy of creating something special. Your kitchen becomes a canvas, and each cookie is a masterpiece waiting to be devoured. The Sweet Symphony. As your cookies dance in the oven, imagine the sweet symphony of flavors filling your kitchen. It's a magical moment that's worth the wait. The golden hue, the irresistible aroma, every sense is heightened as you anticipate the scrumptious reward. And there you have it, folks, the secret to diabetes-friendly almond cookies. Don't forget to visit Blog and Good Food for the full recipe. Until next time, happy baking!